just woke up here. The first video that you saw was a couple days ago because we were sick. So anyways, today we woke up here and we're gonna start moving the things into our car right away. Vojta is already taking apart the hanger and then the mirror, and then we will move to the car all of these things, and then furniture is gonna be probably the biggest pain, but that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, this is our breakfast. It's some leftover ratatouille. Yum.
So we both started with getting into all of the packing. I started with packing all of our rugs. I wanted to leave them on the floor for the longest time as possible because the floors are so freezing here. By that time, Vojta was completely done with dismantling the mirror, the hanger, and the table. And then I also packed up all of our last things from the bathroom, which I again kept for the longest time possible because just in case we wanted to sleep over there. But we are dismantling the bed, so obviously we won't be able to anymore. So yeah, after that, Vojta got started with the bed. He jumped right into it, and in the meantime I went into the car for some packing boxes. When I came back, he was almost done. Like, this man is unstoppable. Once I had the boxes, I just packed up all of the dishware that I packed up in the first video. This one's surprisingly really easy. I only got 2 full boxes of all the dishware and then 1 bag of like the pots and pans. Then Vojta whipped out his favorite machine, which is his vacuum, and he started vacuuming the bed. And in the meantime, I packed up all of our bedding into these Ikea bags. After that, Vojta got really tired, so he just sat down and he went through all the books and decided on which ones we wanted to take and which ones we wanted to leave in there. And then I just finished up with all of the pots and pans and our rice cooker, and we were done with packing up everything in the bookshelf, which felt kind of crazy because it's so huge. Anyways, then we started with loading the car, and this car is enormous. I've never realized until we started to pack all of our things into it. Like, I was so surprised we could fit almost all of our belongings into this one car, so that felt kind of weird. But yeah, by us moving it into the car, I really mean just Vojta. I was just holding the door basically because I'm just a girl in a world. But yeah, Vojta was just so amazing. Again, he just made everything fit. He turned into like a moving ninja, so I'm really thankful for him. But yeah, this is how the car looked like after. We also put this drawer on top and then filled it up again, so it was just completely loaded up. And then this is how the apartment looked when we were done with the first load. Guys, it's safe to say we definitely used our car literally like to the brim. Look at that, that's all his work. He literally turned into like a Tetris king, and he made all of our things fit into one car. That's crazy, but we're getting some pizza. It's kind of time. Oh yes, this looks so great right now. Yep. But yeah, then we came back and we got all like the big things, so basically all of the parts from the bed, and then the hanger, the mirror, the flowers, like just some bigger things. And this is how the apartment looked after the second load. I think it's safe to say, yeah. I think that's just perfectly sums up how we're tired, but I think we did so much work. I don't think we could have done anything more than we did. Like, look at this. We moved the bed, we moved all of our things. Basically, all that's left is the couch, the 2 chairs, and then the books. We're really tired. It's also super hot, so it's kind of annoying, but we're gonna get this to my mom's place and I'll just unpack it. And that's it. But yeah, this was a success. Okay, I don't even know what day it is. It's been like a week. Anyways, Vojta got the couch from the apartment, the pink couch. He got it alone because I was working, and his dad came and helped him, which we're so grateful for. But anyways, he is unloading it, and we're probably going to exchange it for this couch that has been here for the longest time. So it's also gonna be like a new upgrade for my mom's place, but yeah, it's super heavy and I should probably go help him, so peace. This is so weird to see it again without it. Okay, well, hi. I don't
even know what day it is, like how many days it's been since the last clip you saw. I don't even remember the last clip, but basically it is taking us way longer than we thought it was. It's just, you know, it's summer, so we're always away, so it's kind of like hectic and like we don't really have the time to come back here a lot. But today, hopefully, we will finish up taking everything. The biggest task was moving the couch, which Vojta took care of that, thankfully. So yeah, today we will just move the chairs, and then also the mattress is gonna be a hustle because we don't have anything to, like, you know, it's so huge. So that will probably be crazy. Oh my god, this room is so empty. It looks so small too. It looks so much bigger before, I think. Anyways, let's start moving.
And surprise, surprise, Vojta did all the work yet again, and I literally just sat in the car the whole time, so I did not really vlog anything. And then he just called me upstairs to help him with the mattress because he was trying to do it on his own, and look at him. What is he even doing? I feel like he looks like a dying bug or something, but whatever. Then I came and we rolled it up, and then we tied it with like a rope. I don't know. It was like a very DIY sort of process. I also was just like sitting on the mattress and holding it tight most of the time. But yeah, that's all we did. Then we just got it into the car and left the apartment. Okay, guys. I know this video was so hectic, but like honestly, getting the rest of the stuff from the apartment took us, I think, about a month. It was just a never-ending process, and you never realize how much stuff you have until you have to move in or move out of a place. So yeah, the rest of the moving just took on forever, but we got it done. I didn't even vlog the last time we were there because it was just really hectic, and we also needed to get some stuff for the previous owners to get to them. So, you know, I did not really have like the last clip of leaving that place, but it will just be in my head, in my memory, so it's fine. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I did. It was a cool experience. But yeah, now I will just stay with my mom for a while again until we find another place to live at. And I'm of course gonna document and vlog the whole journey on my channel, so definitely make sure to subscribe to follow along. And yeah, that is it for me in this video. If you have a minute, please go check out my Instagram, my TikTok, my Pinterest, and if you live in Slovakia, Czech Republic, or Poland, you can go and check out my Vinted as well. And that is it. That's all I want from you. I love you so, so much. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!